Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey back here with another old school soul food video for my YouTube subscribers. Today we're going to be doing a pie that don't even require cooking. The only thing we tried cooking was my pie crust, which I very seldom, speaking of pie crust, I very seldom make pie crust, but for this particular pie, I don't buy the pie crust already made. I make the pie crust because it's a certain thickness that I require for this pie that they don't have already in the store. So I always make mine. And the recipe is online. This is already done so to speed up the process, because you got to cook it, bake it. You got to put it together, bake it about 10 minutes, let it cool before you can put the filling in. So I already baked one here. It's done. 8-inch pie shell, pie dish here. So let's get started. We're making a old school. It's not really old school. I guess it is for some. This is something I've been making for over 30 years. Making this was my first job growing up, restaurant head did. I love anything with lemon in it and whipped cream, Eagle brand milk. You put all them together, and I'm a winner with that. So that's what this is, a lemonade icebox pie. So very simple ingredient, very simple to make. First thing we're gonna do, cream cheese at room temperature. We're gonna whip this up. Like I say, this takes no time at all to make. Gonna put the Eagle brand milk in there. Hold this down a little. Pour the Eagle brand milk in there, or condensed. I say Eagle brand milk, same thing. Make sure I get all this good stuff out of here. There we go. All that goodness out of there. All right. Scrape down the side of the bowl here. You know you have to do that. Make sure everything's fully incorporated. Nice and smooth. That's the key. You gotta make sure the batter is nice and smooth. No lumps, nothing in it. A bit more. Okay. Pour lemonade. Now this is lemonade concentrate, not lemonade. Lemonade concentrate. You get this in the frozen section of your supermarket. It's in the frozen section of the supermarket. Lemonade concentrate. It's more intense in flavor, more intense in like I say in the flavor of the lemon. Lemonade concentrate, not lemon juice. So I'm gonna pour this in there. Of course, you make sure it's thawed out. Put the lemon zest in there. Break this down one more time. Okay. Now we're going to take this out. Pour it in the bowl here. Take everything out of there. Now we're going to fold in the whip, the Cool Whip. See how easy this is? As all my recipes pretty much are, like y'all say. Who has time to be in the kitchen all day? You're going to fold this in. Very good. Got to fold it in completely. This is what's going to give it the body that the pie needs. Kind of fold it in there. Already getting thick. See how thick that's getting? Let's scrape this off of here. Take that off. Yes, sir. You want to make sure this is completely smooth. Up and over, up and under. Up and under, up and under. Takes a little time, but you'll get it smooth. Getting smooth now. It's getting smooth. Yep. Okay. Getting smooth. A little bit more. Pour the air bubbles out of there. Go. Now, we're going to pour this in the pie shell. Pour that in there. Okay. It'll be a hot pie. And this here, I'm going to put an individual, what's left over, an individual container. Then I'm going to put some lemon slices on it. Like that. You got lemon, you gotta let people know what it is, right? That's it. Now, I'm gonna let that sit up in the refrigerator for about 6 to 8 hours. You can do it 24 hours. See that? See how pretty that is? And when we come back, in about 6 to 8 hours, I'm gonna come back. We're going to slice it up and I'm going to show you how it looks. So we're going to put it in the refrigerator and we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. We're going to see how this sucker turn out here. Walk over here. All right. Here goes nothing. Get down to the bottom of the thing here. I'm gonna cut a big piece here. I want like a thick crust. I'm gonna do this. Okay. Here's a moment of truth here. We're gonna see here. Let me go around the edges here. Of course, you know the first piece is always the hardest to come out. Get this sucker come out of here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's set up on the edge, but look at that. See that? Make them in these pie crusts. It's kind of hard to get the first piece out, but see how it's set up? Look at that. Nice. Let's try this here. Nice and creamy. Look at that. Pretty pie. Nice, creamy, and lemony. Awesome. Like I say, try this recipe. Very simple to make. Only thing, you gotta let it set up. I let this set up by about 8 hours and let it firm up. But it's nice, like I say, it's nice and firmed up. It's nice and lemony and fluffy and light. So anyway, try this recipe out. Give this recipe a thumbs up. Please comment. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.